Okay, I just need to make sure that, okay, it says record audio from microphone. Full screen. Okay, we're good to go. So, um, this is my third take on this. The second time was a good run, but this time it was only because, the audio wasn't working. Because where it says options, it said do not record audio. So yeah, I got my microphone and let's get started. I've been sick lately, so my voice sounds a little stupid. But this is my JavaScript video. So the first thing you want to do is right click and then you go to new on your desktop. And then you go to folder. Once you do that, name it my website. I just named it my website resources. Here's my website that I created. So I made this all with JavaScript. I need this video to actually put on my JavaScript website. It's not up and running yet because I still need to figure out how to publish it, but I'm sure you guys can figure out how to publish it and stuff. So this button is for demonstration and it's pointless, so I'll just click in stuff. And I created a simple link to the next page. And I got background colors and different font colors. And I got the traditional click here to visit first page. But this video was just for this video was just to tell you how to do simple JavaScript. This is my coding. I did it from the last video. Let me just erase everything. Cause this time I'm pretty sure this is gonna be my last take. First thing is first. You need to do bracket, I'm pretty sure it's called a pointed bracket, and then you do HTML inside of that, and then close it off with another bracket. And then the next thing you want to do is bracket / HTML, and then a bracket closing that. In the middle, you might want to do bracket head or header bracket, and then bracket / header. And that should be good for now. What you need to do in between the two headers, you need to do bracket and then write title. And then once you do that, you can write your title. Getrect.org, why not? Oh, forgot the / So right after the end of your title, you put a bracket / and then title. And then you do a bracket again. So right now, actually, we need body for this. So I need to go in under this, make a body tag. Actually, I'll do it in under the header. And then body. And then under that. And then so right here I did a bracket / body and then a bracket. So in between these two, your first thing should be like a header or something. Actually, right now, in the first body tag, I'm going to show you how you can change the whole background color of your website. So body, you press spacebar and then you type in BG color. And once you've done that, you do equals quotation marks. I'm just gonna do my background red. And then I do quotation marks. And if I want to change my text color, I press one space and then I do TEXT. And then I do equals quotation marks lime. If I wanted to change it to lime, you guys can change it whatever you want. So once I go there, I can press I can come down to here. Once I'm there, what I can do is so once I'm here, I can go down here and then I can do header. H1 is the biggest font I heard, and H2 is the second biggest, H3 is the third, and fourth is the smallest. So right there, H1, you can write whatever you want. What I'm gonna write is this site is 100% MLG. I just did that because it's an example. Mine's about teaching JavaScript. I need this video because I cannot explain it. So if you're on my website right now and looking at it, that's why I have a video. So site is 100% MLG, and then bracket H1, / H1, and then a bracket. Sorry, I just messed up right there. And then, oh yeah, it's not gonna be centered. So if I and once you gotta save as, you gotta go to libraries, search libraries, go to search desktop, and once you're at desktop, you can go see your folders here. You just gotta go in here, and then you gotta save. Oh, sorry, my speakers were really loud because I was checking to see if my other video had any audio. Let me just turn that down so you guys don't have to hear that. My website. Alright, do you want to place it? Yep. And since we saved that, we get out of that, open it up, and then see this site is 100% MLG, but it's not centered. So once I exit out of that, I can come back to that in Notebook. Wait, is this the... Yeah, this is the older version. Alright, this is the newer version. So if I come here, I can go down. So right here, I can press enter, and then I can do bracket center. And once it's centered, I can go in under this, since that's when I want the center to end. So I do bracket / center. And now if we save it, it's gonna be centered. Oh, and before I do that, I want to show you how to underline it in bold. So if you want it bold, you can do shift, and then you can do bracket, and then you can do B and then bracket. But once you're done, at the end you can do bracket / and B, so they know the computer knows the bold is done. And it's just as simple for underline. If you want to underline, you can press U, and then instead of B, you can press U, and then file, save, get out of here, and I can go back here, open it up, and then it's underlined and it's in the center. So if you guys are wondering how to do that, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna get back to here. I'm gonna just leave it underlined, and under the center you can do a paragraph. So what you gotta do is bracket P, and P1 is the biggest. Same thing with header. P1 is the biggest, P2 is the second, and third, and P3 is the third, and P4 is the smallest. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So P1, you do a bracket, and I like doing all this stuff first. So you do a bracket / P1, and then a bracket to close that off. And you can simply just type in the middle. I'm just gonna type a random string of characters because I don't really feel like typing a paragraph right now. File, save. Actually, if you want to center this, because I know you probably will, you just do center again. You do the same thing as you did with a header. CENTER, center. And then you go down and under there, not forward slash, you do bracket / and then center. And that's how you would do it. And if you wanted a link to the next page, what you would do is press, I think this is how it goes, so don't do it yet. So you do bracket AHREF, and then you would do equals quotation, and let me figure out if I still have my JavaScript test.html. So let me do copy, and then go back here, and then I can paste, and then I can say here I bracket that, and then I can say click here, and then I can put an exclamation mark if I really wanted to, and then space, so I do a space, bracket / A, and then bracket. So file, save, and then once we go to my website.html, we can go here. It's not centered, but if I click there, it'll take me to this page. And if you really wanted to center it, you guys know how to center it. But I'll do it one more time just in case you guys wanted me to. But okay, so let's do center, and then under here I would do and that's just a simple basic website, basic as possible, because you guys don't know how frustrating it is when you're trying to compress a video and it doesn't work at all. So here's my beautiful unprofessional website. I am working on this one though. I just needed to make a video for a demonstration on JavaScript. So here it is, and there it is. And if you want to put a video in, I'm not sure how that works just yet. I needed a video myself to figure that out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed how to do this like basic JavaScript lesson. So I'll see you guys whenever I post a video again. So let me just exit all this out, and bye.